In this tutorial I will show how to create avatar on your Instagram profile. First open up the Instagram app. Then go to your profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button. Then tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. Now tap on the Avatar option. Then select Create Avatar. Now set up the avatar however you like. Now the avatar is successfully created. If you like to add your avatar to your profile, then tap Edit Profile Picture or Avatar and select Add to Profile Picture. Now your avatar have been added to your profile picture. That is how you can create avatar on your Instagram account.